Good morning, computer art. Today we're going to talk about vignetting effect. This is going to be a quick one. So, vignetting effect, what is it? Well, I put a few little tidbits here I found on, obviously, Wikipedia is a decent site. It's got some good information. So here we go. Here's my little chunk. Vignetting is the darkening of the edges of the photograph or artwork to enhance the focal point or mood of the piece. So if we wanted to add a little bit of kind of mood or kind of frame this character in a little bit more as a focal point, we'd use a vignette effect, okay? In more complex terms, it is reduction of the image's brightness or saturation at the perimeter of the work compared to the image center. Okay. The word vignette, from the same root as vine, originally referred to a decorative border in a book. Later, the word came to be used for photographic portrait, which is clear in the center and fades off at the edges. In photography, vignetting is often an unintended or undesired effect caused by camera settings or lens limitations. However, it is sometimes purposely introduced for the creative effect, such as to draw attention to the center of the frame. And that's kind of what we're going to do with our piece of work here. So here we go. Let's create one real quick. Simple, simple, quick. Here we go. Let's create a new layer at the top. What you want to do is choose the elliptical marquee. I'm going to just kind of start here in the corner right up here. See that? I'm going to click and drag down. And I'm going to try to center this the best I can. I'm just going to eyeball it. It's not hugely perfect, that important that we get it perfect. So that's pretty close, pretty good. Okay, just like that. I am going to now, right now I have the circle selected, so we need to select everything else. We want the border selected, not the center. So we're going to go to select inverse or shift Apple I. I'm going to select the outer perimeter, and then we're going to fill it with black. Go to edit fill with black, click OK, and now we're going to deselect Apple D or deselect. Now we're going to last bit of things we do here is put a filter on it, and then we're going to change the blending mode. Okay, so blur, Gaussian blur, and you can move this around if you need to see it in here, but the preview button is clicked on here so we can see it on our workspace. I'm going to increase the pixel, give a nice fade. I like that fade. Okay, it's dark. Click OK. Now you could leave it like that, but I think it's a little dark here around the edges. We kind of lose what's happening, some of the details. So what we can do is, here's our layer. We can go ahead and change that to more of a, we could do an overlay. That's going to kind of darken up everything, kind of enhance the mood a little bit. Or we could change it to soft light. Okay. I would choose either soft light or overlay for a vignette. Just because it will darken your colors. It'll keep your colors, but it'll just give it a little darker look. But that's it. That's vignetting. Okay, simple, easy, enhances the mood, kind of centers in your focal point in the center. That's it, guys. Good luck. Create a vignette.